Alright guys, as you can see right here, it says your wallet is eligible for an airdrop. Your estimated allocation is 289,112,789 pump, and this is currently valued at 1,429 USDT. This is the amount claimed by my friend who is currently active on Pump.fun airdrop yesterday. In this video, we are going to discuss how to participate in Pump.fun airdrop and all the eligibility criteria we need to know. Before we move on, what is Pump.fun? It is nothing but a crypto meme coin launch platform built on Solana blockchain, okay? And with no doubt, thousands, millions of people have carried out trading and created a lot of meme coins on this particular platform. Alright guys, before we get started, this video is for educational purpose only, and your research need to be done before you carry out anything. The website you are going to claim the airdrop is known as popcoin.run, and I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So after clicking on the link, it will take you to this place, and this is actually when you are going to claim the pop airdrop. And before you get started, let us quickly know the eligibility criteria for this. When you claim, definitely you will get something. In order to maximize your allocation, it is important you create meme coin on this particular platform. That is number one. Number two, you must have carried out some transactions on your Solana address. I think you understand, because here you are going to connect with a Phantom wallet before you will be able to get the allocation for this airdrop. And a lot of things like that. Maybe you must have carried one or two meme coin trading on Pump.fun. I think you get the point. So to get started now is very simple. When you are here, the next thing you are going to do is to kindly click on this, which is a get pump now. So guys, before you get started, you make sure your wallet on Phantom wallet is selected to the one you want, because some of us create more than one wallet on Phantom. So what you are going to do next is to kindly click on this, which is get pump now. So after clicking on it, it's going to show you the several wallets you can use, ranging from this particular one, which is Phantom, and all of us know Phantom, to Trust wallet and so on. So I'm going to click on this Phantom now. Then it's going to redirect me to my Phantom, and I've already selected my Phantom wallet to the wallet I want. So the next thing now is to show you this, which is connect. As you can see down there, you see connect option. So I'm going to click on connect right now. So guys, before you connect, it is important you have at least 0.2 Solana on your Phantom. You understand? So you must have at least 0.2 Solana on your Phantom. So you have to try it based on these informations given to you now, because this is the trial on my second account. I've already done it on my main account. So you have to give it a trial now and let us know what you are given in the comment section. So that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.